Well, I think it's perfect.
Hi.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Sunshine Kirsty and this is Alfie, and today we're making a big batch of hummus. It's very early in the morning. Careful, my love, careful. Alfie and I are now soaking some skinned and half chickpeas, which will make the blending process much easier. We're making a big batch of hummus today because we need some hummus this week. It's very important at this age that Alfie gets lots of iron, and chickpeas are great for iron. We poured in the dried chickpeas, we poured in the water, and now we're going to let them soak, and then we can make our hummus. Soaking dried chickpeas, boiling them, and then making hummus from them is such a cheap way to make hummus, especially where we live here in Cyprus. It's very, very cheap to buy a bag of chickpeas. These dried chickpeas is 500 grams of dried chickpeas, and they cost €1.25. So it's a very, very cheap way to make hummus. We love hummus. Alfie loves hummus. We always have a batch of hummus in the fridge. It lasts a full week, and we always have some in the freezer too. Alfie loves hummus with some pita bread. I love mine with some carrot sticks or some sweet pepper. It is just beautiful. Add it to wraps. It's a fantastic thing to have in your house. All you need to make hummus is your 500 grams of chickpeas cooked, ready to go, some olive oil, some water. I like 5 cloves of garlic. I've got 3 lemons ready to juice, a little tahini, about a teaspoon of tahini we use, and that's it. That is your hummus. It is so quick to make, and we'll show you how we make ours now. Yeah, exactly like that, perfect. Like that, yeah? Gonna make this tahini into a paste.
Go.
1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're gonna give it another whoosh with the blender. We're gonna taste test it now. Add the rest of the lemon juice. We better add some salt. Do you wanna try some? Do you want me to try it? I think it's super yummy. Do you want some with your pita bread later then? Yeah? Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And to see more of our recipes, make sure you subscribe with the notifications turned on. Like, subscribe, and bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
You did well today. High five. Boom.
Bye.